Are you ready to transform your cooking? Today, we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus, a true kitchen game changer that makes healthy, delicious meals effortless. This incredible 9-in-1 appliance replaces your pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more, decluttering your countertops instantly. Imagine making perfect stews, tender roasts, or even fresh yogurt with just one device. What truly sets it apart are the 15 customizable smart programs, from poultry to sous vide, taking the guesswork out of meal prep. Simply select your desired program and let the Instant Pot Duo Plus do the rest, ensuring consistent, professional results every time. Durability and safety are key, and the food-grade stainless steel inner pot delivers, offering a non-stick cooking surface that's incredibly easy to clean. If you're looking for the best kitchen appliance to save time and elevate your culinary skills in 2025, this is definitely it. Ready to experience the magic? Find the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon using the link in our description to get yours today. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this smart investment will revolutionize your cooking journey, and I highly recommend it.